Okay, hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to use the random module. Generally, module is a collection of Python codes in a file with extension .py that can be imported inside another Python program. Python's standard library is an organized collection of modules that we can import in our own code. To start using the random module, we have to import this module. Using import keyword, then the name of the module you want to import it, in our case here is the random module. Okay? The random module have a lot of methods. First is the randint method. The randint method takes two arguments, start and stop, A and B. To start use the random module methods, we start with random dot, then the name of the method we want to use. Okay, so here the randint method, our first method to explore, is using A and B as arguments. A is the start point and B is the end point or the stop point. So here we want to get a random integer between 1 and 10. 1 will be the starting point and 10 will be the stop point. And in the randint method, both ends are included. Let's run our program and see the result. Here is 10. Okay, so now we have a random integer number between 1 and 10 and the result is 10. Again is 5, again 5 again is 1 and 2 again 1, 5 and so on. Okay, so all the results will be from 1 to 10 and both ends are included. Okay, we can use also negative integers for the start point and for the stop point. Okay, here we want a random integer number between -20 and -10. The result is -16. Again, the result is -18. Again, the result is -19, -11, and so on. What will happen if I change this to -10 to -20? Let's run our program. We will have a value error. Value error because we have to start from the smallest number. Okay, so we have to modify this from -20, the smallest, to -10. Okay, run again, -12. Okay, let's try again from 0 to 1. From 0 to 1, I want an integer number, so the result will be 0 or 1. Okay, let's run our program. Here it will be 0, again will be 1. Okay, so the result again 0, the result again 0, the result again 0, and so on. It will be from 0 to 1. Okay, another method is randrange. In the randrange method, we use a starting point, a stop point, and a step. First, I will explore this method without using a step. I want a random number, okay, a random integer number in the range from 1 to 5, and take care of this. In the randrange method, the stop is not included. Okay, not like randint. Here, for example, we want a random integer number from 1 to 5, so we will get 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, but 5 will not be included. Let's run our program and see. First we have 4, again 1, again 1 again, 2, 1, 2, and so on. Okay, we can use the step argument. I will say 2. So using a step equal 2, so the result will be 1 or 3, and 5 will not be included, so the result will be 1 or 3 only. Okay, let's run our program and see again. 1, 1 again, 3, 1, 3, and so on. Okay, another function is the random function without using any arguments. Okay, in the random function of the random module, this function returns a float number between 0 and 1, and 1 is not included. So we will have a float number from 0 to less than 1, a float number between 0 to less than 1. Okay, let's run our program and see. A float number less than 1. Again, a float number less than 1. Again, a float number less than 1, and so on. Okay? Okay. We have another method to have a float number also, but in a range. The function uniform. The function uniform returns a float number between a start point and a stop point. In the uniform function here, we want to get a float number between 5 and 10. Okay? let's run our program. Here a float number between 5 and 10. Again between 5 and 10. Again a float number between 5 and 10, and so on. Okay, here another example. We want a float number between 2.5 and 6.6. Okay, let's run again. Okay, 6.3270, a float number. Again float number between 2.5 and 6.6. Again a float number also between 2.5 and 6.6, and so on. Okay, another method is choice method. Let's explore this method together. Here I have a list of some numbers 10, 20, 50, 60. We want to choose a random item from this list. We use the function choice from the random module. Let's run our program. Our first result is 10. We can choose again, it will be 20. Again will be 60. Again will be 60. Again will be 50. Again will be 60. Again will be 50. 20. Okay, we are done for now. We will continue with some methods in the random module and take some examples of how to use the random module and its methods in the next lesson. So see you next lesson, and bye.